Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, and today we are reporting from the Best Western Sterling Inn and Suites in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is a Best Western airport hotel in the CLT area, Charlotte Airport. Approximately 15-minute drive. We're just here for one night layover, and let me give you guys a quick room tour. So far, first impression is it's a typical Best Western. It's a little bit older, a little bit dated, but it's clean, it's professionally run. The check-in was smooth, professional staff. But yeah, everything's a little bit on the more dated side of things. But it's clean. And yeah, it's a good neighborhood. It's a good area. It's booming all around here. There's new construction going on everywhere. And yeah, it's no complaints, to be honest with you. I might have to turn on the AC because it is a warm day. Wow, look at the view. Incredible. Okay, I got a container view. They didn't say that on Expedia. Oh, okay, here is a microwave. So let's check out the microwave. Yeah, nice and clean. And the fridge, also nice and clean. Let's see what's going on in here. Yeah, everything's nice and clean, no complaints. Honestly, that's about it. This is a king size bed, obviously. There's not much else to report. Coffee maker. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's the room tour here from the Best Western Sterling Inn and Suites, Charlotte, North Carolina. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you stayed here before, if you recommend any other hotels in the neighborhood, in the area for my next trip to Charlotte. Thank you and peace.